Welcome to Seasoned Shorts, where food meets fun, facts, and folklore. Today, animated chef Duey C.K is serving up Thanksgiving turkey tips and traditions. First, let's talk turkey prep. Start by brining your bird for at least 24 hours. This process infuses the meat with moisture and flavor. Combine water, salt, sugar, and your favorite herbs in a large container. Submerge the turkey and refrigerate. Next, the perfect roast. Preheat your oven to 325 degrees forward. Stuff the turkey with aromatics like onions, garlic, and fresh herbs. Rub the skin with butter and season generously with salt and pepper. Place the bird breast side up on a roasting rack and cover loosely with foil. Roast until the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees, basting occasionally. Carving is an art. Let the turkey rest for 20 minutes before slicing to retain its juices. Now, a dash of history. Did you know the first Thanksgiving feast in 1621 didn't feature turkey? Venison, seafood, and fowl were more likely on the menu. The iconic turkey tradition dates back to the 19th century, popularized by Sarah Josepha Hale, the writer of